I've been watching you. At night, I think of you. I want to be your lady, baby. If your game is on, give me a call, boo. If your love is strong, gotta give my all to you. At night, I think of you. I want to be your lady, baby.
Hey y'all, I am back with another video. I said I'm back with another video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to do another curling method, but this time instead of the shingling method, I'm gonna do the coiling method. And the difference between the shingling method and the coiling method is the shingling method just defines your natural curl. So you just pull it and let your natural curl bounce back up. But the coiling method, you literally wrap the hair strands around your finger to create that tight curl coil. So that's the difference between the shingling method and the coiling method. What you gonna need? Hair twisting cream of choice. This is my hair twisting cream of choice. I've been using this for my past few twist outs, and I use it in my shingling method video. I really like this. Like, if y'all see this, grab it. It's really good for people with
low porosity hair, which is
what I have. So if y'all see this in the stores, go and get you some. I got mine from the beauty supply, so check your beauty supply. I don't think they sell it at Walmart. I could be wrong, but I haven't seen it there. But get it at the beauty supply. This is what it is. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. Moisture Whip. Okay? Okay, get that. This is what I've been using, and it popping. Okay. You also gonna need an oil of your choice. And my oil of choice is still this Mama's Green Thumb Hair and Beard Growth Oil. This is going to be the only oil that I use while I'm doing my hair since I cut it, because I want to see what this baby can do. I've been like gassing it up, but I haven't been using just this on my hair, so I don't know what oil was working the best, but I do like this oil. So this is the oil I'm going to be using on my scalp and on my strands throughout my growth process until it's gone. And I don't know if I'm going to buy some more. I might buy some more, or I might just mix my own oils up. And that's most likely what I'm going to do, mix my own cheese. You know, yeah. So what I'm going to use with this oil is just for my scalp. You know, massage it into my scalp. Massage it into my scalp and then pull it through to my strands. So that's what the oil is for. And you're going to need your spray bottle with some water. I use warm water because it opens your hair shafts. The hot water. So I want my oils and my cream to lock in my moisture, so the water will open it up, and then it's gonna let it get inside of the shaft and all that, and then, you know, boom, we good, we Gucci. It's gonna be moisturized. It's gonna hold that moisture. You're gonna need a brush. This is a curl defining brush, and this is a detangling brush. Some people use them interchangeably, because this one will define my curls as well as this one. This will detangle your hair as well as this one. So just need some type of detangling brush. But you most likely see me use them both interchangeably. This one to detangle it, and this one when I'm about to coil it. And then guys, so I lost my wide tooth comb. I don't know where it's at, so I may or may not use this regular comb. I don't know, but I lost my wide tooth comb. I have no idea where it is, and you're gonna need a hair tie to tie your hair up, of course. And then you're gonna see me use this. What is this, you ask? This is, drum roll please. This is just sweet almond oil and peppermint essential oil, and I use this across my edges because my edges really dry out. Certain edge controls have a chemical in it that causes my edges to dry out and become itchy and scratchy. But as of lately, I've been checking the chemical to make sure I don't buy any with that in it so that my scalp and stuff don't be dried out and itchy. I've been doing a good job, and then I also been using this. And when I tell y'all my shit ain't been crusty, it ain't been crusty. It ain't been itchy. So mix you some up. Sweet almond oil and peppermint essential oil. So here we go. So here we go. I'm just going to start by getting my little section. Y'all know I like to start with this part of my hair. So I'm get my little section and pull the rest up. This is a pretty big hair wrapper, so I can wrap it twice without it, you know, putting too much tension on my hair. So I'm good on that. Get your water and you're gonna spray it. Spray it on there. It don't gotta be soaking wet. I'm just spraying it so that I can detangle it. Yep, just like so. Let me try to zoom in for y'all. Just like so. And then I'm gonna take my oil. If I open it up. Take my oil. You don't really need that much. Can you see how much? Not that much. Put it on there. And massage it in. And pull it through to the ends. I'm gonna put just a little bit more on my tips because it's the oldest part of your hair. I know I just chopped my hair, but it's still the oldest part of my hair. So yeah, do that. And now I'm gonna take my curl defining brush, some of your cream, and you know how big your section is. You might want to test it out with how much you put on there. So I'm gonna take this much and put it in there and see if that's enough if that's enough cream. See, that's borderline enough, but let me see. Yeah, that's enough to start off with, but when you get to doing your individual, get like this much. See, I was expecting my curl to look tighter than this because of how I've been seeing other people's look, but that's where I'm going. That's where you go wrong at. Thinking your stuff gonna look like somebody else's, but okay. Okay. Let me try to get that close. Okay. Yeah, I like that. This is how they're turning it out. I like it. What y'all think? Pause right here and go to the comment section and tell me if you like these better than the shingling curls. Let me know. Pretty much you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go through and do that for the rest of throughout my whole head. So why am I up here?
yourself